Working on this 2005 Subaru Forester, doing a diagnosis for a misfire on cylinder number 3. I ended up narrowing it down to the coil pack and ended up pulling this out, and what I noticed is that they have this wire kind of stitched in to the power feed for the coil pack, and I went ahead, I cut that off, checked for any kind of issues there, and unfortunately this didn't end up being the cause of the misfire, but patched that up and put a new coil pack on this thing, and now she's running great. You can see here on my scanner there's no misfires. Once you come back out and listen to it, it sounds good. There is a bit of an exhaust leak, but we're going to leave that for another day.